Remember that Halloween from 2022 when I showed you how to do a mini cookie on a stick without actually baking the stick in the cookie? Well, here's a Valentine's version of it with a regular size cookie. You are going to need a 3.5 to 4 inch cookie, 5x8 cellophane bags, a stick, packing tape, 18 to 20 inch twine. Then I use 4 different textures and widths of ribbons cut to 5 inches, a tag, and a disco ball. Place your cookie inside of the cellophane bag. I helped myself a little bit with the wooden stick. Make sure you put it all the way up. I actually heat sealed my bag just to keep my cookies a little bit fresher. Turn it around, grabbed some packing tape. I would say about a 5 to 4 inch piece, and then wrapped it around the wooden stick and tape it in the back right in the middle of the cookie. Then I grabbed my twine and fastened the bottom of the cellophane bag. I did a very tight knot so my wood stick wouldn't move. I kind of crisscrossed my ribbons, and then right in the middle of that crisscross, I just tied a very tight knot again. Then I grabbed my tag and put it in there, and then just for that little extra, grab your disco ball, and that is it.